Meta or WhatsApp misusing its power and stealing users' data? Let me tell you, WhatsApp, Facebook and Instagram are all owned by Meta, and your accounts on these apps seems linked to each other. So how is this possible? Obviously, Meta secretly uses, or should I say steals your data. That's exactly why the Supreme Court slammed Meta hard. Now the big question is, will Meta get banned? Because the court said playing with Indians' privacy won't be tolerated. So hello, I'm Khatija and you're watching Lokmat Times. In this video, we are breaking down the explosive Supreme Court showdown with Meta and WhatsApp over data privacy. Will they get banned in India? But before we move ahead, do subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates. So let's understand what this case is really about. Why did Meta bring in this data sharing policy in the first place? Well, the controversy actually started back in 2021 when WhatsApp rolled out its new privacy update. The policy clearly stated that as part of the Facebook family of companies, WhatsApp would receive information from and share information with other Meta-owned platforms. Now, what does that mean for users? It means your WhatsApp data, your phone number, transaction details, and even location information can be shared with Facebook and Instagram for targeted advertising and user profiling. And why would Meta do that? Simply because this is how the companies make billions of dollars by collecting users' data and selling targeted ads. But in India, where WhatsApp has more than 500 million users, this policy raised serious concerns. People felt they had no real choice. Either you accept the new policy or you lose access to WhatsApp. It was a clear take it or leave it situation, and many saw it as an unfair use of power. This is where the Competition Commission of India stepped in. In November 2024, the CCI imposed a huge fine of rupees 213.14 crore, around $25 billion, on Meta and WhatsApp for abusing their dominant position. The commission said that forcing users to agree to the policy was nothing but manufactured consent, which is anti-competitive and violates user privacy. Meta then challenged this order before NCLAT. In 2025, the tribunal removed the 5-year ban on data sharing but kept the hefty fine in place. After that, both Meta and the authorities approached the Supreme Court, and that's when the matter took a dramatic turn. On February 3, 2026, the Supreme Court heard the case, and the observations were extremely strong. Chief Justice Surya Kant questioned the way Meta's privacy policy is written, saying it is deliberately complex and misleading. He asked how an elderly person or someone from a rural background expected to understand such a policy. The Chief Justice went on to describe this as theft of private information and called it a mockery of constitutional values. He made it very clear that if a company cannot follow India's constitution, it cannot operate here. The court said not even a single piece of user data can be shared and that companies cannot be allowed to play with India's right to privacy. Justice Joymala Bakshi also made sharp observations, saying that this is a case of manufactured consent where users are addicted to the platform and have no real alternative. According to him, Meta has created a monopoly, leaving users with no meaningful choice. The Supreme Court then issued a clear warning to Meta. The company has been asked to file an affidavit assuring that no user data will be shared. If Meta fails to do so, its appeals could be dismissed and the 5-year ban could be restored. The court has also added the IT Ministry as a party in the case and scheduled the next hearing for February 9. So the big question remains, will Meta get banned in India? As of now, the answer is no. There is no final order yet, but the court's warning is extremely serious. The Supreme Court could reimpose the data sharing ban, increase penalties, or even force major policy changes under India's new data protection framework. For now, Meta has remained silent since the matter is still sub judice. But one thing is clear, India is not willing to compromise when it comes to the privacy of its 500 million WhatsApp users. So that's the full picture here in this case. Meta's data practices are under strict scrutiny, and the outcome of this legal battle could change how big tech companies operate in India. So now what do you think? Does it steal your data, or should the Supreme Court ban it? Let us know your views in the comments below.